Good morning. This is a tutorial on the rollover process for specific seasons within Snap Manage AD Assist. Before creating a rollover from one season to the next, you want to make sure that your events are marked correctly. So this screen that you see on your screen is the daily calendar. Under the daily calendar, you can see all of your events for that specific day. When you click on a specific event, you'll notice that on the right-hand side, you'll have some check boxes. The static site checkbox is for tournaments or invites or locations that do not change from year to year. So if you have a tournament that you're in every year and the location doesn't change, make sure that static site box is checked. The second box to the left is the rollover box. This box should be checked for all non-conference events, school meetings, or any school events that you have rolled over from year to year. Please do not mark rollover for all SWSC or IHSA events. I will input those for you every year, so please do not mark SWSC or IHSA events as rollover. So you should make sure that this is all correct prior to doing your rollover so that all information transfers over. To start the rollover process, you want to go over to the Seasons tab on the left-hand side. That drop-down will appear. You're going to go to Event Wizard. Okay, once Event Wizard pops up, you're going to want to select the year you want to create the new schedules for. So I am rolling over spring of 23 to spring of 24. So make sure that the school year 23-24 is chosen. Make sure import mode says rollover, and you're going to want to click next. This will bring up all of your sports, all of your teams. So you're going to want to go through all of your spring teams. So the easiest way to do this would be to use the search function up here at the top. So I'm going to search badminton. I'm going to select all of my badmintons that I want to roll over. Keep in mind, if for a specific level, if there are no contests or events for that specific level, by clicking the check mark for rollover, it'll roll over all those events. But if there's no events to roll over, it will not roll over those as well. So you can choose all the badmintons. If there's no badminton for, say, sophomores, those will not roll over, so you don't need to worry about that. Okay, and I'm going to select boys water polo. So choose all my boys water polo, choose all my girls water polo. I'm going to select baseball. So pick all of your baseball events that you would like rolled over. Softball events. Select all of your softball events you would like rolled over. Boys tennis. All your boys tennis events are going to roll over. Boys and girls track and field, make sure all those are chosen and rolled over. Girls soccer. Boys volleyball. And if you have lacrosse, you can roll over girls lacrosse as well, or boys lacrosse. And once you do all of those sports and they're all checked off, you're going to click next. And all of those sports, all of those teams that you chose will populate in this next screen. Okay. After that, you're going to pick how you would like to roll over. So the default is day 0. So what this means is a normal IHSA year gets pushed back one day. So for example, the start date for fall 22 was August 8th. The start date for fall 23 was August 7th. So it gets pushed back one day. Okay, so normally the default would be 0. There are specific years in the IHSA calendar that get pushed up a week. That number would change to 7 if that were the case. So for this school year, it gets pushed back one day. I'm going to click next. It asks you, do you want to proceed with scheduling the events? And you want to click OK. And then it should give you a green success at the top of the screen. And then it will take a little bit for this all to populate in your AD Assist, but as long as you check all of the sports specifically, it will upload within a few hours. Any questions, you can always email me at sfredericks@d230.org. Again, sfredericks@d230.org, and I'd be more than happy to help you with any questions you have about the rollover process.